So now let's go to Safari, and if you could have Google also, you can search it on the search tab. Have I been pwned.com. So after that, just click search, and now we're here on its website. On the search tab, just enter your email or phone number, and then click pwned. It's a good news. No pwnage found, no breach accounts, and no paste. So we could have also the 3 steps to better security. We have the step 1. Protect yourself using 1Password to generate and save strong passwords for each website. Step 2. Enable 2-factor authentication and store the codes inside your 1Password account. Step 3. Subscribe to notification for any other breaches, then just change that unique password. It was a great suggestion also to have a strong password with a combination of small letter, capital letter, numbers, symbols, and signs.